This task tip discusses how to use the call visualizer area of My Task Contact to search for specific calls to and from your business. Call Visualizer is a cradle-to-grave search tool that can display every inbound, outbound, and internal call made by your employees, showing call details from beginning to end and all points in between. This tool is invaluable in managing individual call handling techniques, tracking phone abuse, and troubleshooting the call flow in your telephone system. The following example illustrates how to search for specific call types and call times. To begin, go to the Call Visualizer area of My Task Contact. The default page is New Filter. Notice that the default filter searches for all calls on today. Clicking Search will display your entire call volume for the day without further refining the filter. We will refine the filter using the options on the page. First, click the Dates Edit link. The Edit Filter page displays a calendar for the date selection, or you can use the drop-down menu to select specific or custom date ranges. Select Yesterday from the list. The following page displays a date range that includes yesterday's date. Click Done to return to the new filter page. Next, click the Call Types Edit link. Use this option to specify the type of call you want the filter to find and the attributes of these calls. Here, we'll select incoming calls that were answered and served through an ACD queue. Save the call type changes to return to the new filter page. Notice that the filter is now searching for incoming calls answered and ACD calls on yesterday, or in other words, all incoming answered ACD calls for yesterday. Now select the Call Times Edit link. Use this option to specify when calls started, ended, and call duration. Here we'll search for calls that started between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. by enabling the Between radio button in the Call Start Time section of the page and entering 8:00:00 and 13:59:59 in the fields beside. Save the change and return to the new filter page. Notice that the filter is now searching for incoming calls answered and ACD calls on yesterday and started between 8 a.m. and 13:59:59. Or, in other words, all incoming answered ACD calls for yesterday that started between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Clicking any of the links in the filter summary allows you to edit that option, and clicking Search runs the filter. The search results are a one-line summary of each call matching the filter criteria. Click the link for the call that started at 8:48 and 22 seconds to open the call details page. We can see that the call ended at 8:52 and 5 seconds, and the duration was 3 minutes and 43 seconds. The call was answered at extension 228 by Agent Brian after a total wait time of 2 minutes and 3 seconds. The incoming call area displays a color-coded bar that indicates all sections of the call. Hover over the queue in the orange section of the bar. The tooltip indicates that this call waited in queue 1 minute and 5 seconds before being answered by Brian. The green section at the end of the bar shows that Brian spoke to the caller for 1 minute and 40 seconds. To finish, return to the Search Results page by clicking Go Back to Search Results. You now know how to search for specific call types and times.